Welcome to the Do and Do Little. We are a mother and daughter duo that likes playing in hair and makeup. That's Cray, and that's me. We're doing a makeup look called Free Your Mind. It's a Black Lives Matter edition. This is our TikTok. Hopefully, many of you have viewed it already. If not, just go follow the Do and Do Little on TikTok. Now she's moisturizing her face, taking care of that beautiful skin of hers, hopefully like the rest of you are doing. Primer time. Her usual make primer is by Maybelline. All makeup used is listed down in the description box. And it's an edge tamer. She's using it on her eyebrows to help the hairs maintain their shape. We even had to trim some of those hairs. This is another idea we found on YouTube and TikTok. There's our eyebrow gel. She needs a new one. If you guys have any suggestions on good tinted eyebrow gel, let us know. Now here we go with the rest of the eyebrows. Contour time. Just contouring those eyebrows. And as usual, she does a darker tone contour on top of the eyebrow and a lighter tone under.
It's the end of the world, Illuminati is coming. Gather the boys and girls and watches it all unfurls. They clutching at all their pearls and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash app that? I got then they said that respect they black. Politicians and they said don't know how to act. That's why we sitting on the wrong track, back to the long track. And it's okay to be rich. My mama always told me I was
blending out that contour. You like this video so far? Please hit the thumbs up button. And she's using the contour on her eyelids for the foundation for the eyeshadow. It helps it pop better. And she's using her usual translucent powder to set the contour. She's trying to save every little bit. Now we're going into our You Can Be Splashy palette. We're going for a green look today. Doing a very smoky, dark hunter green cut crease. We're also using another palette by You Can Be called Pretty All Set with a more sea moss, I guess you can call it, color green. Back to the Splashy palette, doing that very lime green now on the inner corners of her eyes. Trying out this new eyeliner and eyelash glue that we learned from Aaliyah's Face on YouTube. This is our first try with this. It's by Eyeliner. I believe that's how you say it. But first, we've got to put mascara on our own lashes. Now we're using the eyeliner and adhesive pen. Eyelashes going on. Have you subscribed yet? Please hit the notification bell so you always will know when we upload a new video. And this pen worked wonders. She's happy about it. She's going in her waterline with the same color eyeshadows that she used previously. Smudging it out so it's not so harsh. Now we're using a sparkly green from the Story palette from You Can Be. And as said previously, all makeup used is listed down below in the description box, as well as hyperlinks where you can purchase. The eyes are done. What do you think? She was pretty proud of herself. Now time for the face. She's got slight hyperpigmentation, so she's covering it with contour, letting it dry a little bit, and then going in with her foundation. She does her foundation very light in the very beginning and then builds upon it with several layers. And as you can see, you don't even notice those hyperpigmentation spots. A little more foundation. Told you she layers it. Now we're going in with our contour around the eyes and around the sides of the nose, just to brighten it up a bit. She's taking that contour up the center of her nose and on her forehead, chin, and her cupid's bow. Doing the darker contour on her temples. She does it to chisel out her cheeks and her jawline. And also contours her nose. Blending it out a bit. Did you remember to like this video? Blending out all the different shades of her contour and gives her face a very defined look. Blending, blending, blending. Oh, she's defining her lip with a hunter green lip pencil. Her lips are kissable. Now she's going in with a lighter shade of green. It's a combination of lip gloss with a little tint of the eyeshadow that she used. And here's the other. Same combination. Her eyes match her lips. She even goes over them with the sparkle. How them lips looking. There's our blush. It's a creamy blush. It's a mauve color. And on those cheeks, giving them a little color. Would you describe? And she's putting a little highlighter on her cupid's bow, on her temples, and above her cheeks. The final reveal. She was jamming at this point. Check out her look. Like we said, this is a Black Lives Matter tribute. Her hat supports Black Lives Matter. Her shirt supports Black Lives Matter. It's all of the ladies and gentlemen and children that were injured, killed, and hurt during our recent protest issues. Say their names. Black lives do matter. Everything is listed down below.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back.
Thanks
Bye.
for watching and continue to say their names.